Hello everybody, now I'm at this stage doing the wall panels installation. So for the back wall and all of my left and right wall, I'll be doing a template. Got the bottom one marked, the left side, the right side. See, face up, this is down. This makes a note so I know where they go. And this piece right here is for the top. I'm waiting for the glue gun to warm up, and then I can glue the top one. So then this template here, I will take it and put it on top of the panels and cut it outside with the saw or with the grinder. Okay, just want to give you guys a construction tip. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one. If you guys learned something new today with this video by doing templates, please subscribe if you haven't done already. And if I made it to you, put a like. Thanks so much. Okay, so this is the panel we're talking about for the tub. And this is the template I made. Be cutting strips out of 1/4-inch plywood from Home Depot. Okay, and just make sure you get some good blades to cut that. That's what they say. You can cut it with anything you guys like, but you get some new stuff. Okay, so there are 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna set this template on top of that, and then it should fit perfectly. Have my cuts, and then it'll fit nicely on the wall. Thank you guys for watching. This is how it looks with the template. And I still have to trim some of this edge here, of course on the top and over here. The bottom is fine. So by the way, I ended up cutting it with this here. You have to be very careful. You can get your fingers, wear some safety glasses and gloves. I've been doing this for 15, 17 years, so I'm good about that. Kind of marked. This is the middle piece and it's going up. I got an arrow there. It's going up. Second piece. Okay. Of course, it's marked here too. And now, excuse me, I'm gonna make some circles. Put some liquid nails, adhesive. The one I got is this one. Bought a lot of tubes like this. I'm gonna put circles and circles everywhere. Okay. Now it's time to get the double-sided tape, this paper off. It's gonna glue to the walls. And then I'm gonna put some this here, the got the first piece.